What's up, guys? This is your boy the guy, and I'm back here with another banging video. But today's video, we are gonna be doing something different. I'm gonna be talking a little faster. I'm just kidding. But what's up, guys? It's your boy the guy, and today's video, I'm gonna be doing something a little bit different, a little bit. Somebody requested this video, so I'm gonna do it for them. You know what I mean? They need help, or somebody who hasn't seen, who doesn't know how to do it, is going to learn from me today and learn how to do this thing that I'm going to be doing today. So today's video, we are going to be learning how to install a tune on your turbo car, and this tune is going to help your car run better, idle better, drive better, and all the kinds of cool stuff. You know what I mean? I couldn't record myself in the gym the other day like I said I was gonna. I couldn't because there was too many people packed in the gym, and I didn't want to be a weirdo sitting in the camera somewhere recording myself, so I didn't record myself in the gym. We're in a different day, another day. So we're gonna be, if you haven't checked out my channel yet, this is my 2016 Ford Focus ST, and this is what the channel is about. We do a lot of builds, we do a lot of cool stuff, a lot of tune, brakes. I just changed out my brakes on my car. I couldn't record that video the right way, but I'm probably just going through a montage of it in my video for you guys to check it out. But yeah, so we got this car good and running and better, sitting straight and looking good like it's supposed to be doing. So yeah, this car's sitting pretty good. So we're gonna get right into the video. We're probably gonna drive around and show you the difference in the tune and stuff like that. So let's get right in the video. Alright guys, so we're gonna go with the Cobb Off the Shelf map tuning that comes when you buy an Accessport, and we're gonna go through the process of what tune to put on your car and stuff like that. So anytime you buy a Cobb Accessport and you plug it in and you do all the connecting and stuff like that, when you turn the Cobb Accessport on, this is how it's gonna look like. Before you start your tune, make sure your car is on the on position, which my car's a push and start. So you're gonna put the car on the on position, which you're gonna just push it one time to just have the car come on like this and leave it as it is. Do not press on the clutch, do not turn on the radio, do not turn on the AC, nothing like that. Just leave the car as it is. And we're gonna go back right on here and start the tuning process. So with the tuning process, the first thing you're gonna do is it's gonna tell you how these buttons are being used. So up is for up, the top one is for up, the down one is for down, obviously. The left one, which is the little mini button right here, is for cancel, and the big thumb looking thing is for OK, which is gonna, if you go through these instructions, it will tell you all this stuff, what it's for. So if you want to go through this, you're gonna press OK, continue, and it's gonna ask you, do you want to install the Accessport to the vehicle? So you're gonna say yes if you did buy an Accessport. So you're gonna hit install, and it's gonna go through the process of telling you. It says, please confirm that your vehicle matches the identification results. Which, yes, my vehicle is a USDM 2016 Focus ST49S. I don't know what 49S means, but it's there, and I believe that's right. So you're gonna just hit OK, and you're gonna wait. It says please wait while the map comes up. So when you buy the Accessport, these are the things it comes with. It comes with an anti-theft mode. It comes with stage 0. It comes with stage 1 87 octane or 89, stage 1 91 octane or 95, stage 1 93, stage 2 91, stage 2 93, stage 3 91, stage 3 93. So, or the valet mode. But since my car has a downpipe, I don't have downpipes. I have an intercooler, exhaust, and intake. I'm gonna go stage 2 93 octane, and I do have access to 93 octane gas in Pennsylvania, so that's why I'm gonna go with 93. And I would recommend it if you have the same mods but you don't have 93 octane, to go with 91 if you have 91 in your state. Or if you want to go with stage 1, stage 1 is usually for like air intake, or maybe just air intake and maybe a blow-off valve that you could put on 91. I mean the stage 1 tune. So I'm gonna go with stage 2 93 octane or 98 octane, which the stage 2 comes with the down what do you call it, the intercooler, the blow-off valve, exhaust, air filter, short ram filter, and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go with stage 2 93 octane, and we're gonna hit OK. It's gonna tell you to make sure your battery is 10 amp car battery is charged, like your battery is good to go. You're gonna hit OK, because this is going to drain a lot of your battery. So it says backup factory data. This data will be stored upon an only still recommend is skip factory backup. So I would like to back up the factory data just in case I ever do change my mind on doing this. So I'm just gonna go through this. You're gonna hit OK. The car's gonna go through this glitch weird mode and do all kinds of weird stuff to it. See, sync, connection error, all kinds of cool weird stuff going on. So you're gonna stay in the car. Do not turn the AC on. Do not do nothing too crazy. Just let the car sit as it is and just wait till the tune process goes through. I'm gonna shut up and just go through this process. As you guys can see, it's still loading, so just let it load and do what it's doing. You know what I mean? You do not want to mess with this once it's doing that, because you're gonna break your car and mess up your ECU. You're gonna have to send your car to Ford and have Ford refresh your car's computer. You don't want to do that, and Ford might not do it because it's your own liability. So just let it sit, let it do what it's doing, and just have patience for it. Please turn ignition to the off position. So you're going to press OK and turn your car's ignition to the off position. It's going to say installation successful. Please turn the ignition to off position for at least 15 seconds before starting vehicle. So you're going to leave your car into the off position. Make sure everything is shut off. Do not touch nothing for 15 seconds. We're going to do the countdown together, and we're going to count it down together and wait for 15 seconds to get there. It says remember to, okay, you don't need to do that. So there it is. Accessport has been installed on my car. We're going to go out for a drive, test it out, and let you know my honest opinion, see what it's like, if you guys can tell the difference through the video. If not, I will probably just wait till I get the downpipe and go do a tune, proper tune, and then do a dyno and show you the difference you can get with just a freaking tune on a turbo car. So 15 seconds. These are the 5 things I monitor. I monitor the boost pressure, which it's a must if you do have an Accessport. You want to monitor the boost pressure. You want to monitor the air fuel ratio, which is called the actual AFR, which you do not want it to hit 45. If it keep hitting 45, that means your car is running too lean or rich, they call it. You want to count how many knock detector you're going through the car before, and see how much time the car is pulling, timing. The oil temperature, your oil temperature and your coolant temperature, you want to make sure they're always a little bit behind each other because they heat up around the same time. So I'm gonna go ahead and make sure my coolant temperature is up here, which we gotta go A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, go to C. Coolant. Where's coolant at? Where is it at? Okay, there it is. Coolant temperature. So it's gonna be low, closer to each other. I mean, obviously the coolant is gonna get hotter than the oil because it's cooling the radiator and all that stuff down. And the oil is cooling the engine down and stuff like that, lubricating the stuff. So we're gonna keep it here. I'm gonna put the GoPro on, change views, and go for a quick ride and see if I'm able to tell any difference between the tune I just put in the car compared to the stock tune. Alright guys, so I just took the car out for a drive from the stock tune to the Cobb Off the Shelf map tune. You can definitely feel a difference in the car and how the car drives. So as of right now, I am going to end the video right here, but my honest opinion on the car is that the car definitely feels faster, definitely drives better, it definitely makes a difference when you drive, and you can definitely tell that just the tune is gonna make a difference. So if you haven't got an Accessport or the the Cobb Off the Shelf map on the car yet, you have to get it if you plan on making changes and if you plan on doing all kinds of mods to the car. Make sure you do that, and make sure you, yeah, like I'm telling you, it will wake the car up. When you drive the car stock, it makes the car feels like there's nothing, like it makes a difference because it makes you think that the car is asleep. But with the off the shelf map tune, you can definitely feel the difference in the car it's getting pretty cool out here. So I'm gonna end the video probably right now and go back home, edit the video, finish it up, and upload it for you guys to watch it.